4 is first. 5 comes after 4. That's 3, so that's first. What are your thoughts of sitting in traffic?
Depends on the situation. We have crying kids. I
love it. Look at these kids, they're so good. I don't know what she's talking about. So we're in Cheyenne, Wyoming. We are following the GPS to our next campsite, and we blew right by it. There was like no sign. The GPS didn't really know. And then the pavement ended, and there's nowhere to turn around. And we're on a gravel road that's like washboard.
10 miles an hour. 5. Do you want me to just get back on the highway?
True to the highway. Oh man. This is why I don't let her drive. Steer some more. Keep turning to the right. Straighten it out. All right, we got it turned around. Sarah drove and did that. First time backing up, and it was a big time backing up. And we are back on pavement. Mommy. And I think we're here. A scantily clad lady. Uh-huh.
I love your hat.
Okay. Who wants to go play at the park?
Me!
Man, nice truck. Man.
And Will wants to play.
You go stand next to it. You go too, bro. Everywhere we've gone so far has had availability. We've been booking like day of or one day in advance, and we're in Cheyenne, Wyoming. We're getting ready to head down into Colorado, and we didn't book anything and nothing is available. So we're just sitting on at an exit, I guess you'd call it, waiting for Sarah's on the phone trying to get us a spot. We might be Walmarting it tonight. Here we are at our campsite in Genoa. It's pretty desolate out here, and it's actually a playground across the way there. But I got here, the owner said, "Welcome to the middle of nowhere." I believe him. job, Nora.
We're riding our own bike.
We'll have to keep
And
this.
poor little Reggie has a flat tire. She was doing wheelies.
It's too good an exercise out here, though.
We just got to my brother's. He lives in downtown Denver, and it took us about an hour and a half to get here. And about 5-10 minutes ago, Nora pooped her pants, and poop is everywhere. Should be a fun day. I wondered why it was so big. I took it out. I had it on my client's fridge. And then I took it out.
Look at fireworks.
Yeah, thank you. I got you.
The fire chief brought one of their trucks down to show all the kids at the campground. He offered to put the air pack on Ezra and Reagan, but they were being really shy. We are at the Lyman Heritage Museum, and it's a old train depot and a bunch of other stuff. We're the only ones here right now, and it's a pretty neat thing for such a small town. Oh yeah, hey, come in here, you're gonna like this.
This is fancy,
Look,
Daddy.
look at that, a toy train.
Fancy, Daddy.
Yeah.
That's a big train. The two trains. Oh, there he goes in the hole. Because I'm on the other side.
I am, I'm right behind you. Oh, a globe. We love globes, don't we? That was a big car right there, huh? right, you guys go first. It's your first day of school. Good luck. Go learn some stuff.
Hi, teacher. Hi, teacher. Ooh.
All right, children. And what is this?
A Captain America flag.
Captain America flag.
What else we could do, teacher?
Okay, open up your textbooks to chapter 4. Reagan, where's your textbook?
No.
Did you forget it at home?
Yeah.
Did your dog eat it?
Yeah.
Sarah's mom and her fiance met up with us here for one night, and her brother and his fiance drove in from Denver, and we all had dinner together. Yes, student.
I want to do my homework again.
Okay, let's go do your homework. Oh man. They must have known we were coming. I don't have a camera, but I can do a video.
Oh yeah. Here, wait, my phone's right here.
My office this afternoon. Sarah said I wasn't being myself.